In this video, I'm going to talk about free legal aid in family law. Yes, these services do exist, and I'm going to talk about using them and sort of my thoughts about them and how you can contact them. So first of all, it depends. You want to figure out why you need a family law attorney. Are you going through a divorce? Is it just domestic violence restraining order? Is it just custody visitation? Different organizations will help out with different things. In the Bay Area, there is an organization called Bay Area Legal Aid. They are legal aid attorneys who can represent you on all things family law. So that's going to be your custody visitation of your children, your divorce, property division, etc. These are good attorneys. They usually have a couple years of experience under their belt, and what you get out of them is they really care. People don't go into legal aid unless they have like a bleeding heart and really want to help. So Bay Area Legal Aid, there are some income restrictions. So if you are the CEO of a major company in San Francisco that's publicly traded and you're doing awesome and you're in the six figures, you're probably not going to qualify to receive really any of these services in this video. But you can go onto Bay Area Legal Aid's website and check and see if your income meets the requirements. If your case is only about child custody and visitation, there's a great organization called the Sargent Shriver Custody Project, and they have offices actually in the San Francisco courthouse. There are some limitations there. That is, you have to be 200% of the poverty line or less, and you have to be going through a custody visitation dispute, and the other side has to be represented by counsel. So the idea there is that they're trying to level the playing field so that it's not just the represented party that wins all of the custody. So Sargent Shriver Custody Project, or SASH is their acronym. And again, they are the attorneys that are working there that I know of are experienced, and they do have a support staff to help them. So I highly recommend them as well. Then there is the Domestic Violence Appellate Project. That is an organization where if you requested a domestic violence restraining order and it was denied, and you think that the judge erred, give them a call to see. Now, they don't take everyone's case. Again, you have to qualify based on income. You also have to, they're going to take a look at your case and even see if it's appealable. Most cases are not appealable. There are certain errors that have to be present that, in the opinion of these attorneys before they will take your case. So don't be offended if they don't take your case. And they have a lot of cases to sift through, and, you have to give them credit. If they don't think that your case is going to win on appeal, then, it's kind of like, well, why waste the time and the energy and the stress and, have the false hope when it's probably not going to work out in the end. So those are my picks for the best legal aid in the Bay Area. There's also the Justice and Diversity Center. The last I checked, though, they had a really long wait list. You can certainly Google the Justice and Diversity Center and give them a call and do an intake. But like I said, they are having difficulty finding volunteers ever since they kind of switched management, and I don't know, things have been kind of, they seem short-staffed. So they're definitely a great group of people. So give them a call and just see if there's a wait list. It'd be great to get a family law volunteer. So Bay Area Legal Aid, Justice and Diversity Center, Sargent Shriver Custody Project, and the Domestic Violence Appellate Project. Those are my top picks for family law legal aid in the Bay Area. If you want to chat with me about my services, please feel free to give me a call to set up a free consultation. I will leave my phone number in the description box below. If you have any general questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Please do understand this isn't legal advice, and this is just for general information. And even if I do answer your questions, that does not constitute an attorney-client relationship. I wish you all the best in your family law endeavors, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.